Here we have the project with our spaces and zones already created for the entire project. If I hover over them, you can see that I can select the zone and the space. The zone has properties, just as the spaces, only this is an aggregate of all the spaces in that zone. What I would like to do, however, is name these for ease of use during the design process. To do this, we'll get an introduction into the system browser. Just like the project browser can look through the different views in the project, the system browser allows us to look at the systems that have been created for our project. From the View tab, click on User Interface and click on System Browser. The System Browser allows us to see either zones in the project or systems. We're focusing on zones. You can see here that I have a range of zones with the associated spaces. The name 55 doesn't really mean a lot to me, so what I can do here is look at the properties, and from the properties palette we can see the name. So we could call this Level 1 South External Boundary. Click on Apply, and that's now named the zone within the system browser. Let's repeat that. Let's select another zone, and here it is highlighted in the system browser. We can expand the list to see the spaces, and if I select them, the spaces are highlighted in the drawing area. So let's name this zone Level 1 South Offices. Let's go through a couple more of these. There's Zone 61. Let's call this one Level 1 Circulation. Selecting in the system browser also allows me to see it in the view, and click on Rename. Level 1 West Offices. And Level 1 West External Boundary. We'll do that with the rest of the model.